Did you know that more than 20 million Americans suffer from a condition called peripheral neuropathy? This issue can lead to numbness, tingling, and pain in the hands and feet, making simple tasks feel challenging. Scientists have found that nerves can sometimes repair themselves if they receive the right type of support, especially from certain vitamins. In this video, we'll discuss 5 powerful vitamins that may help reduce neuropathy symptoms and even reverse nerve damage. If activities like picking up objects or walking without pain seem difficult, these vitamins could provide real relief. Let's learn how they work and how you can add them to your daily routine safely and effectively. Before we look at more vitamins, let's clarify what neuropathy is. Neuropathy happens when your peripheral nerves become damaged. These nerves connect your spinal cord to the rest of your body, including your hands and feet. When they aren't working well, you might feel numbness, tingling, or even sharp pain. According to the National Institute of Neurological Disorders and Stroke, up to half of all people with diabetes may experience diabetic neuropathy, showing how common and serious this problem can be. However, diabetes is only one cause. Other factors such as autoimmune conditions or lack of key nutrients can also lead to long-term nerve pain that affects daily life. The first vitamin we'll talk about is vitamin B12, sometimes called Cobalamin. Vitamin B12 helps produce and maintain the myelin sheath, a protective coating around nerve fibers. You can think of myelin like the insulation on an electrical wire. If the insulation wears down, signals may not travel smoothly, causing odd sensations like tingling or pins and needles. Studies show that when people's B12 levels are low, nerve damage can happen more easily. In some cases, raising B12 levels can slow or even help repair that damage. Many individuals, especially older adults or those following strict vegan or vegetarian diets, may have low B12 because they struggle to absorb enough from food. A simple blood test can show if you're deficient. Common symptoms of low B12 include tiredness, memory issues, and tingling in your hands or feet. If your levels are indeed low, foods like liver, clams, dairy products, and fortified cereals can help, as can supplements. Vegans and vegetarians often rely on nutritional yeast or a specialized B12 supplement to reach healthy levels. Sometimes, even people who eat meat might not absorb enough B12 due to conditions like pernicious anemia or other gut issues. In these cases, a higher dose supplement or a special form of B12, like methylcobalamin, might be recommended. Generally, B12 is considered safe, but talking with a healthcare professional will help you figure out the right dose. Getting enough B12 is a key step in supporting healthy nerve function and is often more effective when combined with other B vitamins, such as B1 and B6. If you're finding this information valuable, please like the video, share it with friends or family who might need it, and subscribe to our channel for more weekly health tips. Now that you know why vitamin B12 matters for neuropathy, let's look at 2 more B vitamins that can also make a big difference for your nerve health. Next, let's discuss 2 more B vitamins that work closely with B12, vitamin B1, thiamine, and vitamin B6, pyridoxine. While they all play a role in keeping nerves healthy, each one serves a unique function. Vitamin B1 helps convert the carbohydrates you eat into energy. If you don't get enough B1, your cells, including nerve cells, might struggle to function. This energy shortage can lead to symptoms like tingling or numbness in your hands and feet. Research also shows that people with type 2 diabetes often have low B1 levels, which may be part of why they are more likely to develop neuropathy. A form of vitamin B1 called Benfotiamine is getting a lot of attention because it is fat-soluble, which means it can enter cells more easily. This could help protect nerves from certain harmful substances, especially when blood sugar levels run high. Foods such as whole grains, legumes, nuts, and seeds contain B1. But keep in mind that processing can strip away these vitamins. If you rely mostly on white bread and heavily processed foods, you might miss out on thiamine. Consider asking a healthcare professional about whether a thiamine or benfotiamine supplement would be right for you. Now, vitamin B6 plays a big part in making neurotransmitters, which are chemicals that allow your nerve cells to talk to one another. Low B6 can lead to numbness, mood changes, or even depression, all of which can worsen nerve pain. Studies show that taking B6 along with B12 could provide even stronger benefits for people suffering from neuropathy. However, it's important not to take too much B6. Having over 100 milligrams a day for a long time could harm your nerves in ways similar to a deficiency. Foods like poultry, fish, potatoes, and bananas are safe sources of B6, but many people also consider a supplement for extra support. One big reason healthcare providers often recommend a B-complex supplement is because these vitamins work best together. If one is missing, it may affect how well the others can do their jobs. A balanced B complex often includes B1, B6, B12, and other B vitamins, ensuring you cover multiple bases rather than focusing on just one. Still, it's smart to check with a medical professional about which supplement is best for you. So far, we've covered 3 major vitamins: B12, B1, and B6. Each one helps with a different aspect of nerve health, yet they team up to improve signal transmission and maintain healthy nerve structures. Correcting any deficiencies in these vitamins can boost your energy, help with muscle control, and ease tingling or pain. Next, we'll shift our attention to vitamins D and E, 2 fat-soluble nutrients that can also support and protect your nerves in powerful ways. Now, let's take a look at 2 fat-soluble vitamins that can also help combat neuropathy: vitamin D and vitamin E. These vitamins are well known for their roles in bone health and antioxidant defense, but they can also make a real difference in nerve function. Vitamin D, often called the sunshine vitamin, is produced by your skin when it's exposed to sunlight. You can also get it from foods such as salmon, mackerel, egg yolks, and fortified dairy products. Still, many people end up with low vitamin D because they spend most of their time indoors, use sunscreen regularly, or live in areas with limited sunlight. Studies show that low vitamin D levels may increase nerve pain, partly because inflammation can rise when vitamin D is scarce. If a blood test confirms that you're low in vitamin D, your doctor might suggest a supplement. Vitamin D3 is a popular form, and it's generally taken with meals that include some fat to help the body absorb it properly. Keeping your vitamin D in a healthy range can potentially reduce inflammation and assist in sending clearer signals through your nerves. However, it's best to talk with a healthcare professional about the right dosage because taking too much vitamin D can lead to other health concerns. Next is vitamin E, another fat-soluble vitamin that your body needs, mainly for its antioxidant powers. Antioxidants protect your cells from damage by free radicals, which are unstable molecules that can hurt cell membranes. Since nerve cells are delicate, defending them from free radical damage is very important. Vitamin E can help strengthen cell membranes, making them more resistant to harm. Foods like almonds, sunflower seeds, hazelnuts, and spinach contain plenty of vitamin E, and some people use supplements if their diet does not have enough. Just be sure to consult with a healthcare provider about the right dose because vitamin E, like D, can build up in your system if you take too much. These 2 vitamins, D and E, work together to form a strong anti-inflammatory and antioxidant shield for your nerves. They tackle 2 major challenges in neuropathy: inflammation and cellular damage. While no vitamin can fix everything on its own, they can make a big impact when combined with other healthy choices. For example, keeping your blood sugar stable, getting regular exercise, and limiting alcohol all support nerve health alongside these vitamins. By focusing on vitamin D and vitamin E, you add another protective layer to the B vitamins we discussed earlier. Picture them all as members of a protective team around your nerves, providing what's needed to heal and stay strong. In our final part, we'll tie everything together, showing you how to use these 5 vitamins in everyday life. We'll also talk about extra lifestyle tips so you can get the most out of them and help reduce the pain and tingling associated with neuropathy. Now that we've covered the 5 main vitamins, B12, B1, B6, D, and E, let's bring all the ideas together. Each one has a specific job in supporting your nerves. Vitamin B12 keeps the myelin sheath healthy. B1 converts food into energy for nerve cells. B6 helps create vital neurotransmitters. And vitamins D and E both combat inflammation and protect cells from damage. Using these vitamins together provides a strong foundation for helping your nerves heal and continue functioning well over time. To start, consider finding out where you stand by checking your vitamin levels. A blood test can show whether you're low in B12D or any other crucial nutrient. After that, you can talk with a healthcare provider about how much of each vitamin you might need. Sometimes, small adjustments, like adding more fish or fortified cereals, can raise your levels. Other times, a supplement can be the easiest way to ensure you get the right amount every day. Keep in mind that more isn't always better, particularly with fat-soluble vitamins like D and E, which can accumulate in the body. It's wise to get professional advice before jumping into high-dose supplements. Besides taking these vitamins, some simple lifestyle changes can also help a lot. If you have diabetes or prediabetes, controlling your blood sugar is critical because high levels can damage nerves over time. Routine exercise also matters. Activities like walking, swimming, or gentle stretching can boost circulation, bringing more oxygen and nutrients to your nerves. Keeping a healthy weight can reduce stress on your body and possibly lessen nerve pain. Minimizing stress is just as important. Chronic stress can raise inflammation and make pain feel worse. Try techniques like deep breathing, mindfulness, or relaxing hobbies to calm down and help your body stay balanced. Getting enough sleep is equally vital. Aim for 7 to 9 hours each night, since your body does much of its repair work during deep sleep, including healing damaged nerves. It also helps to avoid substances that can harm your nerves. Smoking, for instance, narrows blood vessels and restricts blood flow, which can worsen nerve issues. Excessive alcohol can also drain your body of important vitamins, especially those in the B family. If quitting or reducing these habits is challenging, consider seeking medical support or a support group to guide you. As you try out these recommendations, be patient and keep track of how you feel. Nerve damage often takes time to improve, and people's experiences can be very different. Some might notice changes within weeks, while others may need months to see real progress. Stay focused on a plan that combines healthy eating, targeted vitamins, regular movement, and enough rest. Over time, you might find that your tingling or pain begins to fade. We hope this in-depth look at the top 5 vitamins for neuropathy has given you practical ideas for managing pain, numbness, or tingling in your hands and feet. If you found it useful, please like this video, share it with anyone struggling with neuropathy, and subscribe to our channel for more health tips. Thank you for joining us on this journey to better nerve health. With the right knowledge and a steady approach, you can take concrete steps to feel more comfortable and regain control of your daily activities.